Well, hello again. This is Opa-Bert coming to you from Binh Hoa City, Dong Nai Province in Vietnam, doing the weekly scheduled update of our NailingFX Spot Forex Trading Simplified session that was done this morning. All right, so let's continue on here. This is the January schedule. This morning we were on FX Street, and next week be the first session in February. We'll be coming to you live on YouTube, so make sure you are ready to see that. As always, you can find the information at www.tradewithufos.com/OPA. And when you go there, you can click on the Get Together button to see the schedule and put it into your calendars. And you can watch live at Trade with UFOs on YouTube as well. Today we were on FX Street. Next week we will be on YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and take a look real quick at what we did today. We reviewed the trade from last session. That trade did get canceled because price had moved in the direction that we anticipated, but never did a pullback to get us in on our limit order. Quick overview of the Forex math and looking at our indicators. So here's what we see. This was the review from last session. The price moved in our direction that we anticipated, but didn't take us in. And then I put on a second trade the next day. The next day I put on a second trade that did result in a nice profit. However, you didn't see me put it on, so it wasn't a live trade. All right, we did the Forex math. Again, we always look for the strongest versus the weakest, and that way we know what to trade. Looking at our trend, overall trend and current trend, using the channel and the profile. Then we add our confirmation indicators, and so we always then take a look at Confluence with TradingView to see how the unfilled orders might look and how they might last. All right, so that was it for the session. We then went into the search for some trades, and we did put on a trade. This was the trade that we put on this morning. You can see it here. And so that's what we'll be watching to see if it will come back and come to our limit entry and then take us to the downside. We're looking at a little bit of a downside move with a protective stop up above. All right, so that's the review. That's the quick overview of today. Thanks for watching. Always tune in on Wednesdays, Thursday night on the US East Coast. See you again next week.